Hi, it's Alex from laughingplace.com here today with an unboxing video, and we are looking at this big box of Mulan products from our friends at Hasbro. Hasbro sent us all of these products for free for the purposes of this review, so thank you to Hasbro for that. And this is all from the upcoming live-action adaptation of Mulan, which hits theaters July 24th. So we're going to open this up and check out everything that's inside. I hope you guys are excited. First up, we do have this slip cover that I'm going to slide off real quick, and it is artwork on all sides. We've got, obviously, Mulan's face on the front. That's the poster artwork. There's the logo, and then on the back, it has Chinese characters. So that's really neat. I'm going to set that off to the side. The bigger box underneath does have the Mulan logo on it as well, on the tops and bottoms. The back side is blank. Let's crack this open, see what we're working with. And there's even more awesome Mulan artwork right here, more promotional artwork. Inside, I'm already seeing quite a few dolls. This is a 2-pack. It's Mulan and Xianniang, I believe is how you pronounce her name. She is one of the villains in the film. Here's another Mulan doll. This one comes with some extra outfits. Let's set that aside. And then behind her, I think this is just some filler. Behind there, we have a weapon from Nerf. This is Mulan's bow for her bow and arrow. This is called the Warrior Bow. It comes from Nerf, and the emblems on it make it look like a phoenix. In the new live-action Mulan, you won't find Mushu. Their family guardian is not a dragon, it's actually a phoenix, and that phoenix plays a pretty key role in the film. So this is a really neat weapon that also celebrates that heritage for Mulan's family. On the back of the box, it does show a girl kind of demonstrating how you use it. Now, it is your typical Nerf bow and arrow, so I'm not expecting anything too out of the ordinary. It does come with 8 Nerf darts, and then the bow has a place to clip them all. So we'll take this out of the package, take a look at it in action. And there it is. Now, what's really nice about this bow is the details. You have all of those kind of phoenix, fire, feather, wing designs on it on both sides, so they didn't skimp on that. And then it's made of almost like a golden plastic. It's not super reflective, but you can definitely see it is a little bit shimmery, so that's a lot of fun too. So again, bringing in some of that phoenix design. Red and gold are also very important colors for Chinese culture. 5 of those darts can clip in right here. It included 8, so that leaves 3 extras. And then the package says it can shoot up to 75 feet or 22 meters. And to shoot it, you have to pull it back. It hits a point of resistance. You have to keep pulling because there is a mechanism inside. You want to see green at the end of your string before you release. And there it goes. I call this the Mulan fashion doll, and this one is just kind of your basic doll in packaging. $14.99 is the retail value. This is available right now as well. On the back of the box, it kind of recaps Mulan's story in several different languages for anyone who wants to read that, and we'll take a look at the doll on the inside. There she is out of the package. Now, this Mulan doll, she is in her warrior gear. Now, this is rubber. It is clasped in the back, and you can easily undo that if you wanted to. Also, her boots, those are rubber. Those have those seams in the back, so you could slide the boots off as well. It's really a 2-piece outfit. There's pants, and then there's this tunic that goes in front of it. And she is really well made. Obviously, kids, if they wanted to do her hair and put her into being disguised as a boy, they could try and tie that up into a knot. But as far as I can tell, none of the dolls have her that way. She's all in this look for the most part, which is a warrior, but after she has revealed herself to be a woman. This is called the 2 reflection set. So this is more in line with more of like a fashion change of the outfit style. So you have a Mulan doll. She's wearing something very similar to the other one. Over here you can see it does include the top half of the armor and a helmet. And then we also get the dress that she wears when she's meeting with the matchmaker. The back of the packaging does include some artwork from the film. They've kind of gone with a black and white theme and only shown what's red on her outfit. It does include the same descriptions of the character and the story in multiple languages on the back that we saw on that other doll. Let's open this up and take a look. Here she is out of the box. Again, you get the doll, you get the extra accessories for the armor and the sword, and you get the matchmaker dress, and this all retails for $29.99. At first glance, I thought the doll might be identical to this one. They definitely have the exact same clothes on, the exact same face. But this doll, the one that was $14.99, there's no articulation in the limbs. So those are straight arms, the hands are out, and you can't bend her at the knees. This one has articulated knees, articulated elbows, and then also her hands can move. One of her hands is in a fist mode to hold the sword that it came with. So the other doll doesn't come with a sword and can't hold anything. Now you've got the accessories that you can put on for the armor. We'll put those on first, and then we have the matchmaker outfit. Let's see what she looks like with all of her armor on. Here we have her in the armor with the sword. Now there is a little hole in this bottom part of the armor you can plug the sheath into, and then the sword goes into her hand very nicely. The chest plate, it does wrap around 360 degrees. It clasps very easily. Having the articulated arms, I don't know that you would be able to get that chest plate on the other doll because you kind of had to bend the arms to get them through the armholes. The helmet is also very cool. It is kind of a softer rubber, does have a softer rubber big phoenix feather, I think, that comes out of the top of that. So that is really cool with the armor on. I think that's a lot of fun. It almost makes her almost like an 11-inch action figure. Next, let's check her out in the matchmaker dress. And here she is in the matchmaker dress. Now this is two pieces. The dress is one, and then the belt is another. So that belt comes completely off. You've got her boots on here, which do have kind of a little floral design on them. What's really nice about the dress is it includes this perforated collar that's not just printed on, has a little lotus design kind of at the neckline, and then it also has this kind of crimped fabric that comes out at the bottom. So it is really well made. It is kind of a shimmery material, so it almost looks like silk, and I think fans of Mulan who like this look are going to appreciate this, especially a lot of little girls who like to change up the fashion on the dolls. This gives them that option. Now let's look at the last doll in the set. This one is a 2-pack. It comes with Mulan and Xianniang. Now this Mulan does include all of the warrior armor plus the sword, so everything we saw in the last pack minus the matchmaker dress. Xianniang, this is the only way to get that doll, and this set retails for $49.99 because you are getting 2 dolls in it. It's the only way to get Xianniang that I'm aware of, and she is a bad character. She's kind of a villain. She's assisting Bori Khan, who's the kind of leader of the army that's invading China that Mulan and her team of friends are trying to fight against. But she is a really great character. She kind of steals the movie in a couple ways by the end of it. She's also a shape-shifting character, so I think kids are going to think that she's really cool. Obviously, her fashion is really great, so if you fall in love with this character when you see the movie in July, this is the only way to get her in doll form. Let's open the box and take a closer look. And here they are. Now, the Mulan that's included with this, I did notice 2 differences. One, it doesn't come with the hilt that was in that last pack. The other, and it's probably easier to see if the hilt is off, is her eyes are looking to the left rather than straight on. So it is a little bit of a different paint job on the face, and that's so that if you put them side by side, Xianniang is looking to the right, Mulan is looking to the left. Now, the Xianniang doll is probably the most exquisite of the Hasbro Playline dolls that I've ever seen. Now she's got these huge sleeves, and those have glitter on them. And then her hair is much more intricate than it looked like in the box. So she has braids that kind of wrap around from side to side that connect around this crown. And then it also has this really cool plastic bodice there, and then she does have kind of molded pants on the leggings, and then she's got these really high boots because she does have this open skirt here, so those boots are really cool as well. So this is a great doll. It's the only way to get it is in this 2-pack. So what I would probably recommend if you are just interested in having one of each would be to get this 2-pack, Mulan and Xianniang. Otherwise, I would pair it with the 2 reflection set that includes the extra outfit. That way you have Mulan with 2 different face sculpts. You've got the full armor set with the hilt to put the sheath to put the sword in, and then you also get that matchmaker outfit. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for sticking with us and watching all the way until the end. Again, all of these Mulan products are available right now. Everything here from Hasbro. Thank you again to Hasbro for sending this to us for review. And the movie comes out in theaters July 24th. I loved it. I have a feeling you're going to love it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a great day. Bye.